Hello and welcome. The workday is over and it's time to relax. So find somewhere quiet and cozy to sit. Get nice and comfortable. And see if you can let these next few minutes be a time of nourishing and loving up on you. I'd like you to first take a moment to honor your efforts today and thank yourself for showing up in your life. You do so much and you deserve to take a moment to relax and appreciate all that you do and all that you are. So take a nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, say thank you to yourself, either silently or aloud. Just relax into that. Whatever kind of day you had today, let it be exactly what it was. There's no need to focus or dwell upon it. It's done. It's over. So call it perfect and allow yourself to release it into the past. Let it fall away like a stone being released from your hand onto the path, just dropping, and then walk forward, knowing that you are new and fresh in this moment, and this is a new beginning. Take another nice and refreshing breath in, filling yourself up with fresh oxygen. And exhale completely, letting go of any stress or tension you're carrying. Let it melt away effortlessly. And again, just like that, inhale deeply and fully, pausing at the top, and then exhale with a sigh. Let it all go, allowing any thoughts to simply fade into the background as you become completely present here and now. Allow your breathing to return to its normal and natural cadence, and relax the space between your eyebrows. Relax the corners of your eyes. Relax your cheeks and your jaw. Relax your scalp. Relax your shoulders. Let them melt away from your ears. Relax your chest and your abdomen. Let your arms and legs relax and be heavy. Feel yourself completely relaxed and at ease in this moment. And bring the soft sensation of a smile to your face as you melt even further into your own presence. Repeat after me. I am present and alive here and now. This is a brand new moment. I get to choose how I show up here and now. Inhale, exhale. You should be so proud of yourself for taking this time and space to nourish and honor yourself, body, mind, and soul. May you move forward in your day with ease and a renewed joy, knowing and feeling and experiencing the miracle that you are. With so much love and appreciation, Namaste.